What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is evolving beyond our traditional search engines. It is the time to shift our focus from our traditional SEO to a broader organic search strategy, because it has high intent and provide better quality traffic and conversion. Although it has been underutilized by many businesses, if you look into organic search performance, you will come to know it provides better quality traffic, click-through rate, conversion, and revenue. It also helps other channels to improve their quality and reduce their cost. Moreover, organic search strategies are not limited to a search engine. They are applicable to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and many other platforms. And enhancing search visibility and engagement across the digital landscape.